Today, I invite you to step into a place where the world around us is a reflection of our very souls. Welcome to Mirror Town, Reflections of the Heart. In a quiet little town in Colorado, an old man named Joe ran a cozy roadside coffee shop. One brisk morning, a traveler named Jake pulled in. As he sipped his coffee, he asked Joe, "Hey, I'm thinking of moving here. What kind of people live in this town?" Joe smiled and replied, "Well, what are the people like where you come from?" Jake scoffed, "Rude, selfish, always in a hurry. I've never had a real conversation with anyone." Joe nodded and said, "You'll find the same kind of people here too." Jake sighed, paid his bill, and drove off. Next day, another traveler named Noah walked in. While having coffee, he asked the same question. "I'm thinking of settling here. What are folks like around here?" Joe asked once more, "What are they like where you're from?" Noah smiled warmly and said, "Kind, helpful, always ready to lend a hand. I'll miss them dearly." Joe replied, "You'll find people just like that here too." After Noah left, Joe's young helper, Sophie, inquired, "Why did you give them different answers?" Joe smiled and said, "Because what we see around us depends on what's inside us. The world reflects our own heart. You'll always find what you're looking for, whether good or bad." This story reminds us that our inner world shapes our perception of the world outside.